Sophia. Ok,
Allô?
très bien. Allô,
Ah, ok.
Sophia, ça va?
Ça
Ok.
va, oui.
Bon, salam alaikum جماعة. إن شاء الله تكونوا كامل بخير. Welcome with us in another Hack Talk session entitled Introduction to Bug Bounty Hunter with our guest Louay Khammassi. He is Tunisian. He is the second guest from Tunisia. So thank you so much, Miss Louay, for accepting our invitation. And you
Thank
can
you.
start your presentation.
Okay. Just, I need to put it full screen. Uh, Sorry, I didn't download the presentation. I'll just share it. So, thank you again for the invitation, guys. I really appreciate it, and it's a big honor for me to be here with you. So, hello again, everyone, and it really means a lot, honestly, because time is one of the most valuable things we can share and we can give to each other. Today, I want to take you on a journey inside something that's very special to me, the world of live bug bounty hunting. But I want to set the tone early. This is not going to be a talk about overnight success or magical techniques that guarantee big payouts. Big bounty is honestly a field that requires a lot of patience, creativity, and above all, humility. And sometimes we win, sometimes we fail. And honestly, the failures are more than the wins. But yeah, every moment we spend learning sharpens us for the next hunt. And my goal today is simple. I want to show you what a real bug bounty hunt looks like. I won't go in depth, of course, but I will show you the thought process, the decision making, the frustrations, and the small wins that eventually lead to big learnings. If you live today, not with one trick, but with a new way of seeing the process, then this session will be a success for me, honestly. So, who is behind the scene? My name is Louay Khammassi. I work professionally in offensive security, mainly around penetration testing and bug bounty hunting. I have been fortunate, uh, honestly, enough to discover multiple CVEs, work on exciting projects with talented teams, and win some CTF competitions along the way, like many of you guys. But beyond achievements, what I really want you to know about me is that I'm just a student of this field. Every hunt, every project, every bug I find, it teaches me something new. And if there is one thing I've learned, it's that real growth comes not from big wins, but from small ones, small, consistent efforts repeated over time. Yeah, that's the mindset I try to bring into every hunt, and it's one of it's the one I want to share with you today. So, bug bounty hunting in a nutshell. When we hear bug bounty, it's easy to picture big cash prizes, hackers, leaderboards, and high adrenaline rushes. But if you strip it down into its essence, bug bounty is about helping organizations secure their digital assets while challenging ourselves to think differently. It's about finding gaps that developers may have missed, and yeah, developers always miss things, not because they were careless, but because building software is incredibly hard. That's the truth. And in the process, we sharpen our technical skills, our persistence, and our critical thinking. But bounty rewards the patient. It rewards the careful observers. It rewards those who look at a web page or a mobile app and think, what happens if I use it slightly wrong, and what happens if I ask for something I shouldn't? Yeah, for me, bug bounty isn't a shortcut to money. It's a long journey that sharpens your mind. And if you do it right, it rewards you. It gives you recognition and even friendships naturally follow. Uh, okay, this part is so important, and yeah, I'm going to talk about from my personal perspective. Everyone will ask what's needed, what's really needed to start this journey. So now, if we are starting, it can feel overwhelming. It will feel overwhelming for many of you. It feels overwhelming for me also. There are so many tools, platforms, write-up, methodology. It's easy to get lost, and yeah, it's easy to to lose passion also. I'm talking from personal experience. But I want to tell you something important. The biggest weapon you have is not tools like Bird Suite or Nmap or any fancy scanners. Uh, yeah, you will need to have some foundations, how request follows, how session works, how API behave. You need to have also some basic scripting skills like Python or Bash for automation, and you need to understand how login page work, how what happens behind the scene if you click a reset password link. Tools are there to help you move faster, but they cannot replace thinking deeply. And and I'm telling you this because in bug bounty hunting you can be skilled, you can be a skilled penetration tester, but you can fail if you don't have right attitude, because right attitude matters more than the gear. So be the kind of a person who even after 5 hours with no bug still says, "I'll try one more thing." Yeah, that's the real foundation. So focus on learning and not chasing just bounties like that endlessly. Okay, we will move to choosing the right platform. Also, this is an important part. There are a lot of platforms right there, like HackerOne. I don't know. You guys may know uh, some of them, but HackerOne is fast and public. It's great if you like a lot of action, but sometimes it can feel like a race. Background has a solid documentation, easy private invites. Yogosha Yogosha has more smaller programs, but often with direct communication. It's a great platform. Honestly, I hunt a lot at Yogosha. Integrity is excellent if you want European programs and strong focus on report quality. And finally, Synactive is more structured with specific tasks and missions you complete under an NDA usually. So the point is choosing the environment where you can grow the best. Okay, so some people love chaos, some people prefer calmness. There is no right or wrong. There is just what suits your learning style and your mental health. So the important thing is to stay somewhere long enough to build trust and improve. I I honestly, guys, advise you to just pick one or two platforms and spend a lot of time with those platforms. Don't just jump between a platform and another one, and eventually you'll get the right platform for you. So I in the presentation I didn't talk about choosing the right program. We'll do it in a bit in a demo, so it will be more dynamic. But once you are in the platform, the next step is to pick a program wisely. So not all programs are equal, and there is not a bad thing. It just means you need to choose where you invest your time. It's better to focus deeply on few good programs than to spread yourself too thin and chasing everything. Uh, I will show you guys, and I will give you an advice how to choose the right program. Just a second. I want this to be more dynamic. It's good. Select. Okay, so imagine this is you lost in the field of cybersecurity. Okay, I'll call this me myself. This is me. Okay, so after we got those skills, like the basic technical skills, and also the mental toolkit, because the mental toolkit is more important than technical skills. Okay, I guess let's say you did practice so well in web app security, and now you want to jump into bug bounty hunting. As we were speaking, you choose one program, one platform, excuse me. Okay, let's suppose you you did choose HackerOne, for example. Hacker. Okay, after choosing HackerOne, now we will move to choosing the program. Okay, so this will be in. I advise you to make a lot of time and invest a lot of time in choosing the right program. So the first week, okay, let's say this is the first week. You will go into all the programs. Okay, this is honestly, guys. The more time you take into choosing the right program, the more the process will be easier for you when you're gonna hunt for those programs. So you're gonna pass, let's say, 1 week choosing the right program. After that, you are going to get cozy with the program. By getting cozy, I mean understanding. Okay, you can choose one or three programs. Okay, and after you choose, let's say, three programs, you are going to focus on only one program. Let's say you chose a program. The second week, you are going to get cozy with the program. By that, I mean learning about the organization, learning what services are they giving customers, go into a lot of, let's say, you can even watch if there is YouTube sessions about them, if there are informations about them, and yeah, learn about the program. The third week, yes, also in the second week, you are going to create, let's say they have in their program, they have 10 websites. You are going to get cozy with those websites, and then you are going to create accounts with different permissions so you can test them. And the more time you spend on learning the program, I said it and I repeat it, the easier the process will be. The third week, this is the third week. Please excuse my skills with drone.io. The third week will be about uh, will be about learning more about that program. So you got cozy with that program. Now you are going to not get too fast to into the technical matters, but you need to, let's say, start poking around with the program. Okay, I didn't find the right word. Start poking around. You will try easy things like, I don't know, scrapping URLs, doing basic recon. You will take notes. If you find a something that is strange, you will note it. uh, I don't know, if you find something like an API key, a strange behavior, a session, I don't know, that is not fixed very well. So you are going to poke around and take notes. Always take notes, guys. This is so important. And finally, in this, let's say, the fourth week, this is the fourth week, and so on. Okay, uh, first week, so endlessly. Okay, let's infinite. Here, where is you are going to start your real hunt. So choose programs with wildcards. So the attack surface will be bigger, and yeah, your chance of getting a bug will be also bigger. Let's okay. Mm, let's move to choosing the personal workflow breakdown, and then we will go into HackerOne and try to create an account, and I will show you in this process, but quickly. Okay. So the personal workflow breakdown. This is, guys, I'm talking from my personal experience. So everyone's workflow will look a little different, and that's a good thing. Here is the general workflow that worked for me. So after a lot of trial and error, recon comes first, guys. It's the heart of hunting. And it's not about running 50 tools at once. It's about carefully methodologically discovering assets and services. Then comes enumeration and fingerprinting. So really understanding what you are looking at, what technologies are in use, how sessions are managed, how the app behaves under normal use. After that, the discovery follows. So through manual testing, replaying requests, using burp like burp suit, for example, and thinking about how a developer may make mistakes. After that, the last step, and again, I will say, guys, this is for me, this is my personal workflow, is build clean and minimum bugs. So it's about making your findings reproducible, clean, and minimal, showing the impact without overwhelming details. Uh, and yeah, keep screenshots, notes, and clear steps. Uh, and finally, yeah, reporting is a skill on its own. So clean reports will help triagers understand faster, which leads to faster validations. And yeah, the confirm edge cases. This is so important because this will make your report really stands out. I'm talking from a personal experience. Okay, so along the way, I am going to show you something. I'm going to talk about a bug I found and how 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 easy the bug was, but yeah, I'm talking about confirming the right edges. So at what point you can really exploit the vulnerability. Bug example. Okay, I found a bug. It's an uploading. It's a uploading flow that was I don't know, misconfigured. There is an endpoint. Let's say the endpoint is test and upload. Okay, test one slash upload, and there is a post request uh, to test one slash upload. You can upload files, and there is a field. Okay, this let's suppose these are the normal headers. I don't know. Let's say host example.com. I don't know, referrer. These are some just basic headers, etc., etc. In the body of the request, there is a parameter that was literally type of file. This parameter contained four characters. Let's say A, B, C, D, and one number. Okay, let's say one. Each time you upload a file, the type of file assigned to this file will put it in a place in the platform. Let's say if the type of file is in ABCD1, the platform will show you the file in the slash, I don't know, invoices slash invoice details. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. I don't know if is there anyone with me here in the stage, or please let's just check the comments.
Yes, I am here. Well, for me, it was a bit clear. If you can explain it, please.
All what I'm doing this, I'm just giving a an example of what I found. But if you want me, guys, if I don't know, to not to go into more details or technical details, I can stop. I don't know the type of community. That's why I will I will do it anyway. But if you guys don't understand something, I have the comments here beside with me, so I can explain it. So let's get back. Let's say we have a parameter that's type of file. Okay, it contains 5 characters. If the character, let's say, is ABCD1, your PDF file that you uploaded will be shown in the slash invoices slash invoice details. Okay. Uh, let's say you you will change the one to two. You will find out that you can upload a file. Okay, you know the destination, but this doesn't matter. You can upload another file in the database, and you can do this literally 5 times. And the maximum size of the file is 5 MB. Okay, so imagine if you just change this once, and you have 5 multiple 5 equals 25 MB. Okay, now you can change this to 3, and after that to 4 and 8 and so on. C, let's say P, any printable character, so but except of slash and anti-slash, some characters. uh, if you just I don't know, just provide the book with the last character, the trial may say, oh, okay, and so okay, let's say you uploaded 100 files, and what's the problem? Just 100 files for I don't know, 500 megabytes. That's not a big deal, okay? But if you poke around more with these characters, you can literally upload up to 50. Let's say, I don't remember exactly the number, but I guess it's around 8 TB of data. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's why I'm talking about edge cases. So if you get a little bit creative, not creative, but just poke around with the parameters, yeah, your report may go just from low or informational to critical, and this is how you can confirm edge cases. Okay, let's get back to the presentation. Present. Okay, now we'll move on to I don't know, just wait a second, to custom toolkit plus favorites. Okay, so for the recon stack, you can use just these are examples, guys. You can use a lot of tools. You can choose the tools that you feel I don't know, you can use them, but what matters is more is knowing when to use them and when to go manual. Okay, for recon stack, for example, there is SubFinder, Asset Finder, and GitHub Torch scripting. SubFinder and Asset Finder are tools that you can find subdomains with them. I hope, guys, you know what's a subdomain. Uh, Excuse me. So google.com is the domain, and subdomain, let's say, is test.google.com. So what comes before the domain? Okay. Uh, just a second. Sorry. For scanning, you can use Nuclei with custom templates. Nuclei is tool for scanning. It will scan for I don't know, misconfigs and things like this. FAF with parameter discovery world lists. So FAF is a tool that can manipulate parameters. We will go, guys. We will do a small demo, and you will understand a lot of those tools.
Okay, thank you. Well, there is a question in the chat. They said, what's the benefit of DevTools?
What's the benefit?
Of DevTools.
Dev FAF.
DevTools.
Dev tools. I'll 1 second. I will read the comment from chat.
Okay.
Dev tools. Okay. So you were talking about manual weapons. Okay. So there is Pursuit, Postman for API poking, but if you have Pursuit, forget this Pro and extensions. Only Pursuit is needed. Postman will not be needed, and browser dev tools for session tricks. Okay. For the question, I will give you 8 seconds. Dev tools is the, let's say, in the application. There is the, I don't know, this local storage part. Okay, I will talk about a finding that I found, and it may seem a little bit funny, but yeah, it's a finding, and I found it just poking around with local storage. There is also an upload. Okay, I will explain this. There is an upload functionality in another program. This upload functionality lets you upload a, let's say, a PDF file, but it will let you upload a lot of files. But let's focus on PDF files. This application actually uses the a parameter. Let's say let's okay let's say the parameter name is test, or file size. The file size in the local storage, uh, I don't remember exactly the amount they did put, but let's say it's uh, 1 megabyte for, okay, 1 megabyte. When before they upload the file, they check the file size. Imagine they check it from the local storage, and this is honestly so funny. There is no backend or front end check, so they just go and check the file size. And if you change, let's say, the file size to a bigger number, and yeah, boom, you can upload bigger and bigger files. That's why I was talking about dev tools and looking in local storage and things like this. I hope I did explain it. I don't know if there is a misunderstanding in the chat. Please tell me. And yeah, you can use also custom tools for I don't know, CV feed parsing, subdomain merging, reporting templates, and so on. This is I'm talking about custom tools because we will see in a minute in the demo part. It will be overwhelming when just manually exploiting things. So yeah, developing your own tools really matters, guys. So we'll leave the rest of the presentation for later, and now we'll get back to this little diagram. Okay, let's suppose we chose HackerOne as a platform to start with, HackerOne.com. Okay, you can log in. I will go through the whole process. Let's create a HackerOne account. I'm a hacker. Let's say shell test. Shell test. Uh, let's put an email. This is only for the for the demo, guys. So don't use temp mails for platforms like HackerOne. Okay, and let's choose a strong password. Sorry. Let's create an account. And confirm our email address. Confirm email. Let's take the email and login. Oh, I guess. Wait a second. Ah, yeah, it's the same one. So this is okay. We'll skip this for now. So this is HackerOne platform, guys. It's a platform for bug bounty hunting, and you can find a lot of programs. It's honestly a go-to if you are starting up with your bug bounty journey. So here you can view all the programs, my programs, bookmarks, pending invitations. If you have invitations for private programs and collaborations, and here where I was talking about uh, choosing the right program. Okay, first let's say, okay, my advice, guys, is to start with the VDP programs. VDP programs are they don't pay you money. They just give you, okay, thank you, you found a bug, and here is the swag, or I don't know, you will be in the leaderboard, something like this. And the VDP programs, why I'm saying this, it will give you reputation, and not a lot of bug bounty hunters hunt in VDP programs because, yeah, obviously there is no money in this, and the competition is less. But let's say we are skilled, and we will go with the bug bounty programs. Okay, we will choose the asset type. This is important. Let's go with wildcards. Okay, wildcards is when the program tells you you can, I don't know, let's say there is a domain that's test.com, and the wildcard is they're gonna put a star, and you can test for all the subdomains of test.com and all industries. Let's do search. Okay, I don't know, let's choose a program that has a lot of wildcards. Let's say, I don't know. Sorry, guys, I didn't prepare for this. It's just I'm doing this right now. Let's choose Netflix, for example. Okay, you will go into the program. You will see here some details about the how much are they going to pay you if you find a low vulnerability, a medium, high, or critical. These are stats, the total bounties paid, average, etc., etc. And these are the assets. They classify the assets from low to critical. They have primary targets and mobile targets. Uh, and in the week one, you will literally read all of this carefully. You will go and discover what Netflix. Well, we obviously all know what Netflix is, but you will discover about the program. These are the program guidelines, the requirements, and everything. And they are going to put the scope and things. I guess they always put, out of scope. This is, guys, so important. You will always have to read the out of scope. Uh, they have, I don't know, let's say they have subdomains that they are out of scope, and they all also have uh, exclude submission types. They have some type of vulnerabilities that they cannot accept. Because okay, I will tell you a real story. Honestly, and my first bug bounty bug was a API key leakage, and that API key leakage was an API of Google Maps, and yeah, when I submitted the the, the bug, I got paid for it, and I was surprised because how easy it was to find the API key. And then I was thinking, okay, if this is easy, I will go into every program and I will just hunt for for Google Maps API keys. They are there in the source code, guys. You can't really miss them. I found another API key in another program, and when I was about to write the to write the report, I saw that they don't accept API keys if they are out of scope of the program. Let's say they only accept API key leakage if they are used in the platform itself. But if they found out that the API key is not used in I don't know, in the platform itself, they won't accept it. So yeah, just don't waste a lot of time just poking around. You have to read the out of scope before you start. Okay, let's say we chose Netflix as our target. We will go to scope. Here are the scopes. These are the scopes that you won't get paid for them if you get a bug, and these are the eligible ones. You will you will obviously find out of scope. Yeah, here are some domains that are out of scope, so you won't be hunting for those ones. Okay, let's say this is guys the wildcard I was talking about. So let's say we are going to choose. And yeah, let's get back to taking notes because I was saying taking notes is important. Let's say our program will be Netflix. Okay, yeah, let's put the target and notes. You will be taking notes, guys, a lot. Don't forget to take notes. Let's choose this domain, okay, and we will go into the hunting process in a bit. And this one. Okay, guys. Now I will start some manual testing. So please bear with me if you have any questions. Just please tell me, okay, in the YouTube part. Okay, let's just fire up Kali. We are going to hunt for for Netflix, guys. This is the first time I hunt for this program, so please bear with me. Let's see debug bounty. Let's make a directory for Netflix. Okay, let's make notes. Okay, first we will hunt. We will start by subdomain enumeration. Okay, subdomain enum. Like I was talking, guys, there are a lot of tools for subdomain enumeration, but you will eventually start knowing some tools, and you will eventually choose the tools are that they are suitable for you. Okay, let's start with the first tool. The first tool is SubFinder. SubFinder. Yeah, you can find this on GitHub and install it. So okay, first let's make a file that we are going to put the targets. Okay, gedit. Let's say the file will be domains.txt. Wait a second. Okay, just a second, guys. And let's save the file. As I was talking, SubFinder is a tool that will let you discover subdomains. Okay, let's just put dash help. Here are the list of the tags that you can use. You can obviously, guys, you can read about the SubFinder later. So we will do SubFinder dash detail to give it the our file. Okay, just let me clear the screen, make it a little bit bigger. SubFinder dash detail to give it the domains.txt file. Dash all it will use all the methods for subdomain discovery. Dash recursive to find, if they find, let's say, test.blah.blah.com, they can go beyond that test. So they will try a.test.blah.blah.com, that and so on. And we are going to put an output file, subs.txt. While that is running, we will use another tool. That is called Asset Finder. Okay, so we have our domains.txt, and we will use another tool. Those two tools, guys, do the same thing, but you will see the utility here in a minute. Okay, so cat domains.txt, we will pipe it out to asset finder, and we will just tell him to just look for subs only, and we will pipe it out to the a and put it in subs2.txt. Just the t here, guys, just to see the result, and in the same time store it in a file. Okay. As you can see here, the subfinder found a lot of subdomains, 18 plus 15 subdomain, because, guys, we remember we chose two subdomains. Guys, I guess I just made a mistake. Wait a second. No, there is .NET and .com. Sorry. Okay. See here, we named the output file subs2. Okay, let's see how many subdomains they found in subs2. 20 subdomains, and for the subs.txt that we used the first tool, that was subfinder, it found 33 subdomain. Yeah, guys, some tools may miss some subdomains, other tools may not. So you need to run more than one tool to be sure that you didn't miss any subdomain. Okay, for the demonstration part, I will stop here. I won't show you just more tools. There are a lot of tools like I don't know, Amas, other tools that they can discover subdomains. But for now, we just use those two tools. Okay, now we have these two files, subs1, subs and subs2. We need to merge them and sort, just to keep the unique ones. Okay, we are going to cut subs.txt and subs2.txt, sort it, -u, I guess, for unique, and as usual, T to view the results, and in the same time store it in a file, let's say, or subs.txt. And now we have what was it? All subs.txt. We have the file that has the all subs. Okay. I don't know, guys, if you still here with me. If there is much information, please tell me. Should I continue like this?
Yes, well, you are doing great.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Anyways, I have the chat here besides me, so yeah. If you have any questions, tell me. Okay, now we have our subdomains. Okay. After we have our subdomains, we need to check what are the subdomains are really live, because those tools will find you subdomains, but sometimes there are subdomains are down. So we are going to use a tool that's named HTTPX. Also, you can find it in Google. Just Google it, guys. HTTPX GitHub. Just you will find it in GitHub, and you can download it. There is a pre-installed HTTPX in Kali Linux, guys, but it's not this one. It's another version. It's old. It's ugly. Just don't use it. Install this tool and use it. It's built in Go. Okay, we will use HTTPX to. Okay, let's say HTTPX to find the live subdomains. As usual, you can read this, guys, on your own, so you can discover more HTTPX. But for now, we will clear. We will cut all subdomains that we have, and we are going to pipe them to HTTPX so he can find the live ones. As usual, t.a, and we are going to put it in live subs.txt, for example. And yeah, HTTPX is now finding the live subdomains for us. It will finish in a minute. Yeah, I guess it's finished. Let's okay. Let's see how many subdomains are actually live. 27. Yeah, and before the all subs were 36. So there are subs that are not live. Okay. Now you are sure. I know, guys, you are overwhelmed by the amount of, let's say, the amount of commands you are going to type. That's why, guys, I I said automation is the key. Uh, I obviously have my own scripts that does all of this in just just one click. But for the demonstration part, we are going to, let's say, use ChatGPT. Okay. Uh, let's say uh, hello, automate me the subdomain discovery part using these tools: subfinder, asset finder, and finally pass them to HTTPS. Write me a Python script and make sure to use multi-threads to make it fast. And it will give you actually a script. That's easier, guys. You can write your own scripts, just so you won't be always typing the same commands. Just for the demonstration part. Okay, let's get back to our hunting session.
Sorry, there is a question in the chat. They said, why do you use HTTPX?
Okay. HTTPX is a tool that when you give it a subdomain, it will go check if it is live or not. By live, I mean, let's say you did type this dot blah blah blah, sorry, blah 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 dot com, one dot com. Sorry, say HTTP this one. This is not a actually a domain or subdomain. So HTTPX will go and check if the domain is returning us with 200 response. Okay, let's cut live subs and let's cut uh, all subs. Okay, let's choose, I don't know, 80. Okay, as you can see, guys, this subdomain is not here. Is not in the list of live subs that is generated with HTTPX. Okay, let's go actually check the wait a second. Check this subdomain. Wait a second. ED touch. No, it's here. I don't know. Help. It's here. CDN 7 fast.com. Please bear with me, guys. Secure. Let's say this one, I guess. I'm sorry, I'm noob with Bush. Let's cut just live subs and let's try to grab this time. Sorry. Yeah, this one is not live. If you are going to curl, let's say curl-v to see this, yeah, could not resolve host. So this host is down. Okay, if you can go here and check, this host is down. So in order to avoid these down hosts, because later on you will go through each subdomain and discover its flows, we just use HTTPX and it will do all the manual part. I hope I did explain this. Okay, let's get back to real hunting. Okay, now we have our subdomains. Now we are going to move to another part. Let's say, guys, this is live. I'm giving you what I'm thinking about, so I'm literally thinking out loud. Okay, now we have a list of subdomains. Let's check if there is a subdomain takeover on a, on some of those domains. Subdomain takeover, guys, is okay. Let's go back to drop.io. Let's say we have a domain here. Okay, let's say this domain is example.com. Okay, this domain is pointing to I don't know, let's say a GitHub page. You know, guys, that there are some websites that they start, I don't know, with example, so example.github.io. How to make this bigger? Okay, .github.io, or they are pointing to, I don't know, S3 bucket, let's say, for example, S3, I don't know, Azure resource, things like this. Okay, after a while, for a reason or another reason, I don't know, for any reason, they just decided to, I don't know, to remove the GitHub repo, or to remove the Azure resource or S3 bucket or things like this. So yeah, the example.com still points to that existing, to that let's say domain, okay, or resource. It's still pointing, but this is no longer here. Okay, so let's say the it's pointing, but it's pointing to nothing, literally, because if they remove the GitHub page, so it's pointing to an empty GitHub repo. Let's say you are going to check if you can use that GitHub repo. Let's say here it was example.github.io. Okay, you are going to see if you can create a GitHub repo with example, with the name example, and you can host it on github.io. And yeah, if you can create that, if it is available, example.github.io, now you literally own this site because it's pointing to your web page. That's called subdomain takeover. If you have any questions, guys, please just let me open the stream. 1 second, just to see your questions. Clear. Okay. Let's get back. So in order to check for these flows, we are going to use a tool that's called SubZ. Okay, this tool will check if there is any flows in this process, but you will see what I mean. Okay, dash help run. Okay, SubZ run. Okay, dash help again. Sorry, I sometimes miss just a second. Yeah, targets run, and we are going second subs run dash targets, and we are going to give it our live subs, guys. Okay, so just forget about these subs and all subs and domains. In a matter of fact, we will just delete them. Okay. we'll just leave them there. Okay, we will put the live subs. Okay, sorry, dash targets live subs dot txt, and it will start fingerprinting. Okay, you can see, guys, that okay, wow, there is a vulnerable subdomain, there is a vulnerable another vulnerable one, but just, guys, don't get too excited. They generate a lot of false positive informations, so you will do some manual testing. Okay, manual testing will take a lot of steps. Okay, let's start. I don't know. Let's use OAs. Okay, OAs command, just to get more information about this subdomain. Okay, sorry. Okay, these are blah blah blah. These are not not very useful. Okay, let's use the dig command. This dig command will give you DNS records, everything like this. Okay, for this, it's here. It shows that it's vulnerable, but I don't think so. Okay, we will see in any. Okay, you can see the. Okay, just, guys, I always want to draw the informations, guys, you are going to look for are the CNAME, for example. If there are any changes in the I don't know, the records, things like this. But okay, let's go with the CNAME. We can see that there is a CNAME here, occ.a.nlfx or so.net, etc. Okay, you will try to trace that CNAME and see where it points. Okay, you will go to use dig, and I guess it's plus trace. Yeah, plus trace. Okay, this will generate a lot of noise, but as you can see, it points to blah blah blah, c root, blah 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 blah, and yeah, finally there is ns blah blah blah, aws dns 12.net, and yeah, you are going to check if those, let's say, AWS DNS is there to take it, the CNAME. You will get, guys, a lot of CNAMEs. Okay, you will get frustrated, but yeah, you just need to follow these steps and look for any suspicious CNAMEs. I don't know. Let's take this as an example. Okay, take another example. Clear. Okay, dig this one, or any, or CNAME, I guess. Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, guys, usually this is not vulnerable. Okay, yeah, I just remembered. There is a checklist, guys, in a GitHub page. It's can I take XYZ? Okay. This GitHub page. Okay, I will try to. I don't understand this part. Okay, should I go back? Should I go back from the start? Okay. Mr. Giselle, as I was talking, oh, I did delete it. Here, let's say we have this one. Okay, our subdomain. Okay, this subdomain. Okay, this subdomain is pointing to. Oh, never mind this. If you can see here, there is no CNAME actually. Okay, if there is no CNAME, or if there is just an IP address, or let's say let's do dig plus short. I will get back to you, just Giselle, in a minute. Okay, if there is if there is no CNAME, actually there is a CNAME, and but if there is no CNAME and there is only IP addresses, there is no way that subdomain is vulnerable. So, in a nutshell, this one points to this one. Let's see. Okay, you are going to check if this resource is still available. Okay, you will do your research, your Google research, blah blah blah. You will see DNS records. Let's, I don't know. You will do a lot of research. Okay, DNS lookups for that specific sec for that one. For example, you will look for all the informations, the A records. I don't know, everything. Okay, and if you want to be really sure about this, you will go back here. It's a search engine. It's a tool actually. You can download it and you can use it. Can I take? Can I take over XYZ? There are script paths, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, generating fingerprints. And you will go the name you found. Let's say you will go check if it is vulnerable or not. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. Wait a second. Sorry guys, I didn't. Okay. Like ghost.io. Okay. If you found out, this is guys live, and yeah, this takes a lot of time. If you found out that the CNAME is ghost.io, you can go and check. Wait a second. You can go and check if it is if you can take over that subdomain. I hope I did make it clear. Sorry guys, I know a lot of informations, but please bear with me, okay? This is I won't go into more technical details, I promise. Just to keep it lightweight. Okay, just we will do some basic other basic things, and then we will start. I promise. Okay, so that's the subdomain takeover part. Okay, now let's go and look for, let's say, JavaScript secrets. Okay, sometimes guys, you will find that in a JavaScript file, you can find that the developer forgot to delete the API key, or just put it as an environment variable. They just put it there, clear text. And as I was talking in the first of the session, yeah, my first bug bounty was about an API key leakage, that it's left there in the JavaScript, and the program is actually 3 years old, and everyone missed it. Because guys, I used the tools that I am going to show you now, and those tools didn't detect any API key. So sometimes you will go and check literally every JS file on its own. Let's say, I don't know. Let's take I don't know, Canva as an example. Okay. Wait a second. Control. Okay, let's take YouTube. Okay. So what I did, I went to every page in that URL, and I just searched for JS files. And yeah, I started literally clicking on every JS file and just looking, I don't know, for a secret, things like this: secret, API, I don't know, key. Yeah, sometimes you can find sometimes you can find the API keys like this. Actually, guys, this is I guess a Google Maps. Sorry, guys, this is live, so I'm just thinking out loud. This is Google Maps API key. I don't know if it is if we can use it or not. I know it's Google Maps API key because it starts with a I and ends with things like this. But Guys, this is ethical. So I guess YouTube.com have a bug bounty program. I don't know, bug bounty. Sorry, YouTube, YouTube bug bounty program. Yeah, YouTube has a vulnerability disclosure. So yeah, just to keep it. I don't know, guys. I think this is not unethical, but yeah, we were just joking, and I guess we found something. So we won't be testing it. I'm sorry, guys. And yeah, you get the point. Just I went through every JS file and I found that API key. But you can automate things by using tools like Katana. I hope, guys, you know Katana. It's developed by John Hammond. Well, it's a contributor, not fully developed by John Hammond. It's a tool for JS crawling, not JS crawling. It's a tool for crawling websites. Okay, we can install it and just use it. Now we will use Katana. You can use it in multiple things, but for now we will use it just to get the JavaScript files. Okay, Katana. Yeah, I have the tool. Just to check. Okay, just 1 second, guys. Uh, uh, yeah, okay. Katana. Here. We are going to use Katana just to get our JavaScript files, okay? So Katana dash list to give it the list of subdomains. So our list is, sorry, this is painful. Live. Oh my god, Katana. Sorry, I have a problem with my Katana dash list live subs subs dot txt. So we did give the Katana a list of subdomains. I just type these the subdomains that we found, and we are going to give it to Katana so they can go and check if there is any JavaScript files. Okay, dash D for depth. So you will tell Katana how much depth it will search. By depth I mean, guys, if the depth is 1, it will only search, I don't know, it will just do this and stop. If depth is 2, it will go more, and so on. So we will just uh, we'll just do 3. Okay, uh, just cc, and we are going to pipe it to grep actually JavaScript files. Okay, dot js $sign. This $sign, guys, means that only give us the files that end with JavaScript files. Okay, let's try it without grep. Okay. Yes, as you can. Okay, as you can see. Wait a second, guys. Please, for the sake of the demo, I will just uh, I'll just put only 2 because it will take a lot of time. Okay, and we don't have the time to do this. Okay, let's say test.txt. Okay. If you are alone, if you are hunting lonely, I don't know, on your own, just do it for all the list. Okay, just here, just to gain time. Okay, we are going to give it the other list. Test txt depth 3. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's leave 3 and dash gc. Okay, it will go and start for finding us, crawling literally these websites. Crawling means finding endpoints. So slash, let's say, test is an endpoint. Yeah, it did not find any endpoint. Yeah, this is live, guys. I didn't prepare for it. Sorry. Okay, let's let's choose let's choose Facebook. Okay, for example. Okay, let's choose Facebook. Echo HTTPS Facebook. Uh, don't worry, guys. Facebook is allowed to test it because it's there in the bug bounty programs. And let's put it in test.txt. Okay, let's do the same command. Yeah, just to make it clear. You can see, guys, it's crawling us the pages from wait a second, from YouTube, from Facebook. Okay. Uh, as you can see, there are PHP pages, there are JS pages, and we only want JavaScript files. Okay. There is also CSS. That's why we are going to only grep for JS files. Okay. .js. Dollar means again, dollar means that give me only the files that end with JavaScript. And yeah, it will only give you the only JavaScript files. Okay. Uh, clear. Sorry. Clear. We will do this command again, but we are going to just give us the unique URLs. Okay. Sometimes URLs are replicated. Sort. You can just do, guys, sort. Sorry. Sort dash u. Okay. Or I don't know, unique. I'm just showing you a lot of methods. Sort, and also pipe it to a, let's say, a file that names JavaScript files dot txt, and let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's let him finish his work. Okay, let's check if we have that JS files. Okay. Wait a second. This is not a normal behavior. This is not a normal behavior, guys. Sort. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, let's just keep it like this. D JS D H D JS files dot txt. Just wait a second, guys. Sorry again. Somehow this is not working. Okay. I don't know why they are not printing it when we did put T. If anyone can tell me, this is so strange. This is actually so strange. Okay, let's just stop here. Okay, we won't put them in a file. We will pipe them to another tool. Okay, or we'll just, I don't know, put them in test like this. We won't do unique. Yeah, that's the problem, guys. It needs to end its process, and then it will put them to test. Okay, let's just keep it running. Okay, let's move to something else. This will only collect as JavaScript files. We will back to JavaScript thing later. Okay. There is another tool, guys, I want to show you. It's Wayback URLs. I guess, guys, you know Wayback Machine. It's literally. Sorry, let's just check. Okay, there are no questions. Wayback Machine. It's literally the archive of the modern websites. Okay, You can type a URL, let's say facebook.com, and it will look if it will take literally screenshots. I don't know, from period to another period, and in those screenshots, you may found out that there are URLs in those specific times. They are not showing in our modern times, but they still there. Okay. So we are going to use wayback URLs to find endpoints that they are in the archive. Okay. Wayback URLs. I don't know how. Just let's say facebook.com. Bear with me, guys. I know this is painful. Okay. It will give you a lot of endpoints. Okay. You can just combine it with I don't know, grape. Let's say only grape for admin part. I don't know, let's say grape dash I don't know, admin. It will give you only the endpoints that have admin, but I doubt that Facebook have an admin endpoint. Oh yeah, it has. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that's the utility, guys. So you will have a lot of endpoints. They are they can still exist. Okay, we can check if this still exists or not. Uh, yeah, it still exists. Sometimes the endpoint will not be there, but if you want to avoid that, you just you can add a filter. I guess before grape, you can add a filter. It's I guess filter. Yeah, filter status code. Just go for 200, or you can add another filter for 300. Just status code 200. Okay. And you can grab for things you want, or you just want to sort it, dash u, or do things like this. Okay. And it will only give you the endpoints that are still alive and give you 200 response. But guys, I'm sorry, this is too much information. Okay. I'm sorry. When you want me to stop, I'll just continue the presentation and that's it. Let's get back just to JavaScript. I guess it won't end. This one it will stay for forever, and yeah, we are going to get into the end. I don't know what was the name of the test. Yeah, it gave us a file. Okay, let's say we will work only on those files. Okay. This list file is not a JS file. Okay. Now we have a list of JS. Okay. We are going to use, guys, tools to give us if there is any API keys or secrets in that JS file. Okay. So the first tool that I am going to show you is called Mantra, if I spelled it right. Mantra. Mantra. This one. Yeah, this one. You can download it and you can try it. Okay. This mantra will take a list of JS files and will go parse them. I don't know how this tool is working. Maybe they are accessing directly or downloading them, or no, they are not downloading them. They are accessing those JS files and they are looking for any secrets. Okay, so since we have our file that is test file that contains JavaScript files, we are going to use that tool to check if there are any secrets in those JS files. Okay, so we are going to cut test, and we are going to pipe it to mantra. Okay, and we'll let the tool. I didn't find any API key. You can try any other method. There is actually, guys, a script that's named secret finder. finder. Uh, yeah, this one, a Python script. It does the same thing of mantra, but sometimes, guys, you need to try a lot of tools in order to get sweet results. Yeah, because some tools will catch the results and other will not. We'll just try it with this secret find. Uh, yeah, guys, secret finder only takes one URL. So we'll just write a simple bash script. Okay, just comment. Sorry. Anyways, uh, okay, we'll just cut test, and we are going to just use some 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 basic bash scripting. Okay, we are going while reading while reading URL. URL is our parameter. Okay, do Python 3 since it's a Python script, and you are going to give it the path to the Python script. So the path, as I remember, it's I guess it's in tools. Yeah, secret finder, secret finder, secret finder dot by uh, dash I dollar URL. Yeah, guys, don't mind this. This is just some bash basic bash scripting. Okay. Dash O CLI, so it will output it will give the output in the actual CLI. Because when you don't put dash O CLI in secretfinder.py, it will create a web page for you and then store the results in that web page. Okay, and just close the okay. Parse error. Yeah, I told you guys I'm not that good with cat test. Why read URL? Do Python 3 dash I. Sorry guys, please bear with me. Okay, let's just open another tab. My Kali is hanging a little bit. CD Bug Bounty. Netflix. Just yeah, my Kali is hanging. Okay, again, cat list, cat list. We are going to why read URL do Python 3 the path tools secret finder secret finder dot by dash I and the parameter URL dash O for CLI and done. Yeah, it will just go check one by one and it will give you eventually if there is any API key leakage. Okay, it's just literally, guys, it's the same thing we did with mantra and yeah, it's just another method. Okay, sometimes we'll find results with this, sometimes with mantra. That's why I advise you to just try a lot of tools. Just one second, guys, to test. Con- test is empty. Uh, you are talking about this one. No, test is the output. Sorry. Test is the output of wayback URLs. I get it. I hope I didn't answer you. Yeah. Uh, Please, guys, if you want me to stop, just tell me. Okay. Otherwise, I will just keep talking endlessly. Where are you, my friends? Okay, should I just keep Fatima? Should I just
Yes, I am here. Well, do as you wish. For me, I am having fun.
okay, okay. I'll just continue, guys. Yeah, I won't. I promise I won't go through a lot of details. Okay. Okay, so we did some basic scans, some basic fine, I don't know, crawling JS. Okay, let's see. Let's cut live subs.txt again. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Okay. Let's try to let's try to I don't know, pick this one. Sorry guys, I don't know what's happening with my cat live subs. Somehow I can't select live. This is painful. See, I really don't know what's happening. I can't select. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, let's try curve. Okay, it gives us 200, but yeah, left intact. We'll just go check them manually, okay? Ah, never mind. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Yeah, see, I don't know why. Oh, I don't know why I can't. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's take those. Let's go and try to open them one by one. Well, you can use this extension, guys. This is I don't advise doing this. You can write your own scripts to check for the response, okay? Because yeah, 400 still a response, and HTTPX will give you the website if it is 400. But yeah, you can use Wayback URLs. Actually, Wayback URLs, guys, does do screenshots. As if I'm not wrong, it used to be to do that. You can just write your own script to go through all those websites and do some screenshots for you, and then you can go and test whatever you want. Okay, let's open. uh, I hope the computer won't okay, this is the truth, guys, about bug bounty hunting. Yeah, it's not uh, it's not always gonna be easy. I don't know. Let's just go back to HackerOne and let's try to take a domain. Okay, let's say secure Netflix. Okay, for testing purposes. Okay, forbidden. Never mind, guys. Let's go with www. Yeah, hopefully we can find some bugs in Netflix. Uh, okay, so we did our manual automated testing. That's just 10%, guys, just of the wait a second, of the automated testing. Let's now get a little bit into not not uh, not manual testing, but let's try to fuzz for subdirectories. Let's say maybe they left something there. Okay, let's do. But I doubt. There is a tool that's called. Wait a second. Not GoBuster, DearBuster. Guys, DearBuster and GoBuster and Ferox Buster are tools that they are going to brute force for for directories. Let's say, not hidden directories. You can tell me, yeah, what's the difference between crawling and brute forcing subdirectories, because when we did way back URLs, let's got our test. Yeah, those you can call those directories. Okay, you can literally call them directories, but the difference is the crawling literally goes into the web page and try to find any any, I don't know, any link, and they go dynamically, and somehow they parse it and they go crawl it. But tools like Deerbuster and GoBuster uses uh, a I don't know, uh, a list. That list will be, I don't know, how they work honestly, but they have a word list, and they are going to use that word list to brute force for directories. I hope you get it. Dear search, which are you Netflix. Okay, we will let it run for a bit. We will see if we have any results. I'm just, guys, this is just all test. This is for testing purposes. Yeah, see, it gave you some hidden, not hidden, some subdirectories. Uh, excuse me, some directories, and you can go and just try those directories if you can find anything juicy. Let's just stop it for now because it's getting literally late. Let's, yeah, sorry guys, I have a problem with my mouse. Okay, well now, I guess not well, sorry, not well now security.txt. No, slash security.txt. I hope I did write that right. Dot well known security.txt. Good. What is going on? Good. Good. Never mind. Uh, it's actually 200 bytes. It's well-known Apple App Site Association. Again, I'm sorry for this. I don't know what's happening with my mouse. Just a second. Uh, I guess, guys, you get the idea where I'm trying to get. Okay. Let's try it anyway. Dot well known slash no, slash, let's say, Apple App Site Association. Is there a problem with my internet connection? Uh, yeah, guys. Usually this will give you a result. I don't know why here we have, okay, but it's Netflix, guys. Let's get realistic. So yeah, you won't find things like that. Those flows, but you get me where I want to get. We will just try it with Facebook. Okay. What was the name of the tool? Sorry, I'm getting a little bit tired. Dear search. R, guys, for recursive. So if it finds a directory, it will go and find another, and it will continue to find other subdirectories. Dash U for URL. You got me, guys. Okay, these are responses. I don't have any websites to test on right now, but yeah, you got me what I want to get. Okay. Sorry, the scope that we chose is a little bit, I don't know. It's a lot. so secure. So you won't literally find anything, but only for demo purposes. Yeah, one more thing. Uh, if you are if you are going to start with your manual process, you can you need to use burp suite. Okay, there are two versions. There is burp suite that's for community, and there is the burp suite professional. Okay, burp suite professional has a lot of features. uh, it also they have features that you can install things like this. Their repeater is and intruder are more faster. Yeah, it's pro version, so yeah, it's upgraded. Just I'm going to go through a little bit of burp, then yeah, I will stop, guys. From just little bit of little demo in burp suite, and yeah, that's it. Uh, okay, it has an integrated browser. So guys, obviously, burp suite is okay. I didn't introduce burp suite. It's a web security tool used mainly by pen testers and by bounty hunters. It acts like a proxy between your browser and the target website. So when we send a request, before the request goes into the server, you can intercept it. It works as literally a proxy, and then you can modify some parameters and do some manual testing. Okay. It has an integrated browser. You can during this whole process that we were doing, and yeah, guys, manual manual recon takes a lot of time. That's why I always tell you guys, just try to build your own scripts. It will make your life much more easy. Let's suppose we are doing the recon we were doing an hour later. In order to gain time, you can come here and add a let's do a scan. This will do crowd and audit. Let's put our target, which is netflix.com. You can choose the scan configuration. You can put it deep. Application login for now. You won't put anything, and okay, just it will go and start scanning for security misconfigurations. Okay, this is the logo. If there is any issues, the issues will be here. It is I advise you guys to always use scanners, especially burp scanner. It's very strong tool. It can find literally some bugs that you can't find no matter what you do. So it can find I don't know, SQL injection, XSS, and trust me, you can spend hundreds and hundreds of hours, and you will never find that. So yeah, yeah, using burp scanner is a big plus. Here is your target. Let's say netflix.com. You can see the files that he found, but we will go here and try to put netflix.com. This is a small introduction, guys, for just yeah, update required. My browser is a little bit apparently it's a little bit old for Netflix. I need to update it. But yeah, you can open browser. Browser. You can do google.com. You can search, and just I want you to see where I want to get. Okay. Let's say you did put test here in Google. Sorry, guys. I wish I did prepare for this session before. Okay. Here is the part okay. In the target, you will find that google.com is added to your sitemap. Here in the scope, you can add, I don't know, add a target. Let's say http yes, google.com. Yes. And in the proxy, in the http history, As you can see here, before we added that into our scope, there is things that other than just google.com. Okay, adding a target here will let you just I don't know, filter and only show only in item scope. So you won't be seeing API.google will or I don't know, Netflix. And when you apply it, you will just get to see Google. Here is our request. Here is our response. You can poke with it in the repeater part. The repeater part will let you poke with the request multiple times. Here is just we send, and as we can see here, this is the response. You can follow the redirection. I don't know, you guys, you can try anything. Just remove this. I don't know. Yeah, content layout. Let's say maybe there are some things that we need to keep. Ah, yeah, just yeah, you can see the type of response. Here is the size of response. It's 1053 bytes. Yeah, poking just yeah. We won't go into burp honestly, guys, or we'll just stay here forever. Just let's say we are removing some headers. These are headers used by the website, and yeah, you can see if there is any change. Yeah, obviously there is a change because the number of bytes changed, and yeah, and so on, guys. That's what I that's what I want you to understand. Okay, obviously there are a lot of tools, guys, but I guess I need to stop here. Maybe we can have another session and we can go in depth. This is just a demo, guys. Yeah, obviously we won't find anything live because yeah, as I said previously, bug bounty hunting needs a lot of patience. So I just go back to the presentation, guys. Just wait a second. I need to close the YouTube. Where were we? I guess we stopped here. Yeah, just two slides, guys. Bear with me. The live is about to end. Present. Yeah. So yeah, hard truth for new hunters. As you can see, I was literally struggling, and yeah, just guys, this is a drop in an ocean. So there are a few hard truths that I wish someone had told me earlier, like automation is helpful, but intrusion and manual thinking are what find real vulnerabilities. No one shares everything publicly. Yeah, that's the truth. Write-ups are summaries, so don't take them as a full stories. You can find a lot of write-ups that literally can devastate you, guys. There are people out there that they are finding easy things, and yeah, you will literally stay there. I don't know, maybe 6 months before you hit your first bug, and yeah, that just don't get devastated. Okay, recon is a long game, guys. What I showed you, this is literally maybe 5% of the recon. Yeah, there are many other tools, but most real bugs hide under mountains of noise. Yeah, the recon part is literally so important. Yeah, reporting is a skill, guys. Triagers love clarity, so you need to have a good report because someone else needs to understand your work, and yeah, your report must stand out, and you are the one literally that decides if your report will be classified as low or medium or high. Whenever you show more impact, guys, the impact in the report is so important because you can two bug bounty hunters may find the same bug, and if we are going to give them the chance to just submit reports separately, one, the report, it can be I don't know, low or informational. The other one, it will be high, but it's the same, guys, it's the same bug, but the way you write your impact, the way that you will literally get paid. That's it. And yeah, numbers and profile points, leaderboard spots, they don't reflect the depth of skill. It's quality of your findings that literally builds long-term success. So don't get devastated, guys. Let's go quickly. evolving as a hunter. You can build a hunting journal, track what you worked and didn't. Take notes, guys. Taking notes is the key to success. Revisit all the reports and bags to understand patterns. Follow retap CVEs, Twitter threads. Reproduce publicly, exploits locally. Yeah, because muscle memory sharpens hunting extents. Yeah, obviously that's the truth. Thank you, guys. Finally, I want to end this with not with not a technical advice, but with a human reminder. In bug bounty, you will fail way more often than you succeed. So you will spend days chasing dead ends. You will doubt yourself. You will compare yourself to others and feel behind. That's normal. What matters is that you keep showing up, that you keep studying, that you keep, I don't know, caring about your craft. So if you have any questions, technical, strategic, I don't know, even mindset related, feel free please to drop them now, or you can reach me later, guys. Uh, I don't know, you can reach me on LinkedIn, or I'll just drop this here. Which target? Uh, I'm sorry, only Roots. Uh, please, uh, please, if you want me to ask to answer this, just be more clear, please. Which target? I didn't understand. Yeah, you guys, you can reach me on LinkedIn just to ask me any question. Sorry, this is very long. Obviously, only 5 people are still here. I'm sorry again if I made it that long or that technical. And yeah, thank you, guys.
Well,
Hopefully,
it
we.
was really an amazing session. يعطيك الصحة بارك الله فيك. It was والله
Thank,
great, one of the best sessions I had. I
thank you,
learned a lot of tools, etc. And I am sure everyone who assists in this session learned new things. Thank you so much, بارك الله فيك. And I wish we can
the
have
pleasure is
other
mine.
sessions with you.
What? I didn't hear you. Sorry.
I said thank you so much. And I
Uh-huh.
wish we can have other sessions with you, inshallah. Thank you so much. Wallah, we learned a lot of things. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The pleasure is mine. Wallah. The pleasure is mine. Sorry. Uh, Anyways, guys, you can contact me anytime. We can do other sessions. I'm here for you guys. Thank you. It's a pleasure for me being here with you. And yeah, that's it. I guess it's a good night then.
Yes. So thank you so much, guys. I will share with you the LinkedIn of our guest later in our Discord. So see you in other sessions, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Inshallah. Inshallah. I will just stop sharing. Okay.
Okay, sure. I will stop the stream right now.
Okay.
So have a good night. Thank you.
Good night. Bye bye, everyone.